Hello Prime 2, how are you today? I hope you're fine. Today we're going to continue Connect Plus Unit 8. I want you to watch this video and tell me what does it talk about.
English sing. Weather. Cloudy.
Cloudy.
It's cloudy. Cold.
Cold.
It's cold. Foggy.
Foggy.
It's foggy. Hot.
Hot.
It's hot. Raining.
Raining.
It's raining. Snowing.
Snowing.
It's snowing. Stormy.
Stormy.
It's stormy. Sunny.
Sunny.
It's sunny. Windy.
Windy.
It's windy. How's the weather? It's cloudy. It's cold. It's foggy. It's hot. It's raining. It's snowing. It's stormy. It's sunny. It's windy.
Okay, now, so what does the video talk about? Excellent. It talks about the weather. Weather. Okay, open your book, page 10, please. We have in here 8 ways to describe the weather. Sunny, windy, snowing, foggy, rainy, thunder and lightning. Thunder and lightning like in the stormy. Okay? Drought. Drought like when we don't have any water, okay, and the ground is very dry. Humid. Humid like when we have wet air, okay. We have in here 8 pictures. I want you to try to guess which word belongs to which picture. Okay, number 1, you can't see, right? Because it is foggy. Excellent. Number 2, We can see drops of water. Excellent. It is rainy. Picture number 3. Yes, can you see? Can you see the storm? Excellent. Thunder and lightning. Number 4, can you see the ground? There is no water. It's very, very dry. Excellent. Drought. Number 5, can you see the palm trees? Yes, it is moving because of the wind. Excellent. It's windy. What about in here? Can you see the sun? Yes, it's sunny. What about in here? What is this white thing? Yes, it is snowing. What about in here? Humid. Excellent. We have wet air. Sorry. Now, what is the weather like today? If I want to talk or to ask about the weather, I say, what is the weather like today? Today. Today. But if I want to ask about yesterday, excellent, excellent, past simple. Was will be what, as will be what, was. So what is the weather like? What was the weather like yesterday? It is, the is will be what, was. So what is the weather like today? I can say it's foggy, it's rainy, it's snowing, it's sunny. If I ask you, what was the weather like yesterday? It was windy, it was drought, it was rainy. Okay? Move to page number 11. What is the meaning of temperature? Temperature. Temperature is how do you feel about the weather? How do you feel about the weather? Like, I can say it's hot, like in summer. It is warm, like in spring. It is cool, like in fall. It is cold, like in winter. Hot, warm, cool, and cold. Okay? Crops. What is the meaning of crops? Yes. The plants which the farmer grow. Let's move in here to move back to the temperature. Okay, when do we say that the temperature is cold? Okay, if we measure it and it is from 0 to 5, it is cold, and from 5 to 15 it's cool, and from 15 to 25 it is warm, and from 25 to 40 it is hot. Let's play a game. Okay, the boy in here asks what? It is winter in Egypt. What is the weather like in Aswan? It is warm. Why? Why it is warm? Because in here I'm asking about Aswan. Aswan, the temperature in Aswan is 22. What is 22? Yes, excellent. We have in here from 15 to 25. 22 can be in the middle in here, so it is warm. What about if I ask you about Cairo? What is the weather like in Cairo? It's 13 degrees. Let's see in here. Yes, excellent. 13 can be between 5 and 15, so it is cool. Now, I want you to listen carefully to this text.
Warm weather is good for farming. We need sun and rain to grow plants. When there is no water and the weather is too hot, we can't grow plants. In the Nile Delta, it is partly sunny and partly rainy. We can grow different kinds of crops.
Okay, now move to the next page. Page number 12. We have here some new words. Repeat after me. Papyrus, papyrus. Palm tree, palm tree. Reeds, reeds. These three plants are used to make some products like we are going to see in here. Weave, weave like to use a small needle. This is a small needle, okay, to make like carpets or rug. Furniture, furniture, like the couch we have at home or the cupboard. Port, port, okay, it is the place that the ships arrive to. Sand, like we have in desert. Shapes, shapes, these are shapes. Okay, I want you to listen carefully.
Nubia is a place along the River Nile in southern Egypt and northern Sudan. Nubia is famous for making baskets. People use papyrus reeds and palm tree leaves to make the baskets. They weave the leaves or reeds together.
So, in Nubia, people use the leaves of the papyrus and palm tree and reeds. They weave them, okay, they weave them to make baskets. Okay, listen carefully. Number 2.
In Damietta, there are lots of places where people make furniture. Damietta is a port, so boats can travel to and from other countries. People in Damietta sell the furniture in Egypt and all around the world.
So, in Damietta, people make what? Excellent. People make furniture. Okay? And Damietta is what? Excellent. It is a port. It is a port. Okay? I want you to listen to text number 3 carefully.
Al-Fayoum is a city in Egypt. People used sand to blow colorful glass in different shapes. It was beautiful and famous. There are places in Cairo where people make glass objects in the traditional way.
So, what do people make in Al-Fayoum? Yes, excellent. They make glass. Okay, we have in here 3 cities in Egypt. Each city is famous for making some products. Move to page number 13. Like we have in here some new words. Okay, carpet, carpet, rug, rug, loom, loom, silk, silk, cotton, cotton, wool, wool. Loom, it is that wooden object that we can use it to make rug. Okay? Silk and cotton and wool. We can make fabric from cotton and we can make fabric from wool and from silk also. Let's read text number 4. Giza is well known for making carpets and rugs. They are very beautiful and people all over the world buy them. People use wool, cotton or silk to weave the carpets on a loom. There are lots of schools in Giza where people can learn to weave carpets. Okay. So Giza is well known for making excellent carpets and rugs. Okay. People use wool and cotton and silk for what? Excellent. To weave the carpets. On what? On the loom. So we use silk, cotton, wool to weave the carpets on the loom. Exercise number 2. You have 2 minutes. Try to answer. Okay, check your answers. We have in here wrong words in the sentence. Okay, try to correct them. Like in number 1, people in Nubia use wool to make baskets. No, they use reeds. Excellent. What about number 2? The muta is a excellent board. Number 3, people use leaves to make glass. No, they use sand. People in Giza blow carpets on a loom. No. Excellent. Weave. Think and answer. I want you to try to think and get an answer for these questions. Why are the baskets made of reeds? It has strong leaves. Number 2, what animals can we get wool from? Excellent, sheep. How do you make glass from sand? Using heat. Why is it useful to be in a port? To import and export goods. Move to the next page, page number 14. Now in here, what is this? Where can you see this? Can you guess where you can read this? Excellent. On a computer. Why? Because we have links in here, link in here. Okay. Number 1. These colorful baskets from Nubia are in lots of different sizes. Some are big and some are small. You can use the smallest ones for things on your desk or in your bathroom. You can use the biggest ones to store clothes or toys. So, this text talks about baskets. Excellent. How much are these? Excellent. You see the price in here? 100. Number 2. This rug is from Giza. It is expensive, but it is very beautiful and it is big. It is made of wool and it is very soft. There is a picture of animals on it, horses and birds. It talks about an expensive rug. How much is it? Excellent. 14 pounds. Number 3. These glasses are from Cairo. They are made of blue and red glass. You can use them to drink water or juice. Okay, it talks about excellent glasses. How much are these? Excellent, 75. Number 4. This wooden chair is from Damietta. It is perfect for a child's bedroom. You can paint it in different colors, white, gray, red, or blue. A wooden chair. Okay, how much is it? Excellent. 250 pounds. Move to the next page, page number 15. Read and answer. You have 1 minute to try to guess the answer. Okay, check your answers. Which products can you use to drink? Drink from. We drink from glasses. Which product can you paint? Can you paint? Yes, excellent. The wooden chair. Which product can be big or small? The basket. Which product is expensive? The rug. Now, we have in here in exercise number 4, a boy and a girl. They are asking about their favorite products. What is your favorite product? I like the glasses. They are very pretty. What about you? What about you? What is your favorite product? Yes, for me, the wooden chair. Why? Because you can paint it. Okay, choose yours and tell me. Move to the next page. Now we have in here 3 sounds. CL, FL, and PL. I want you to try to repeat after me. Cool, cool, cool. Cloud, cloud. Full, full, full. Flood, flood. Pool, pool. Plants, plants. Clouds, flood, plants. Underline, cool and full and pool, and say the words we have in here. Clock, excellent. Clock. And here, flag, flag. And here, plane, plane. Easy. Now, move to exercise number 3. Try to answer. There is a on the. There is a. Excellent. Flag on the plane. Number 2. There is a. We have water everywhere. We call it what? Flood. Excellent. If we have a lot of water in the streets, we call it flood. Okay? The plants are in the water. Number 3. There are clouds on the clock. Okay? Full, pool, full, pool, cool, cool, flag, plane, flood, plants, clouds, clock. Exercise number 4. Look and fill the blanks with the correct consonant blend. Now, number 1. Use a consonant blend, CL or FL or PL. In here, play. Excellent. Number 2. Cloud. Number 3. Clay. Number 4. Clown. Move to exercise number 5. Listen, match, and write. Number 1 is already answered. Flag. Number 2. Plane. Excellent. Plane. Where's plane? Plane. Okay. Where is plane? Yes. What about in here? What about number 3? Cloud. Cloud. Number 4. Clock. Clock. Number 5. Flute. Flute. Number 6. Plate. Plate. Now I want you to open your exercise book, page 8, and check your answers. Page 9, page 10, and page 11. Page 12 and page 13.